In the vast industrial world, there's a welding technology that can join the same and different kinds of metal materials. It can also connect metal with ceramics and composite materials, that is vacuum diffusion welding. In a vacuum environment, the closely fitted components are kept at a certain temperature and pressure for some time. This lets the atoms at the contact surface diffuse into each other and finally creates a really strong connection. It's especially good for large, flat hollow or locally hollow complex components. It's especially useful for welding key parts that need very strict welding precision. It's widely used in areas like aerospace, shipbuilding, chemical engineering, power, and electronics. ACME, which has a lot of experience in researching vacuum diffusion equipment. The pressure can go from 1T to 200 T. You can choose from single pressure head, double pressure head, triple pressure head, or multi-pressure head setups. And you can have one-way or two-way pressure. They have a bunch of patent technologies for things like the evenness of the furnace temperature, the accuracy of pressure control, the accuracy of constant position control, and smart operations. Besides mechanical pressure diffusion welding equipment, ACME has also come up with something new, gas diffusion welding equipment. It uses argon gas pressure technology to do a uniform pressure welding on the workpiece. This makes sure the workpiece after welding is very precise and has little deformation. Even better, the company has a special welding laboratory for national defense. We can offer solutions that include both the equipment and the solution process.